Do you keep replaying the affair in your mind, checking details, asking questions, or wondering what you missed? If you answered yes, it could be your brain trying to make sense of betrayal. Welcome back to Inside Aromacee. I'm Celia Veronica Paul, your host for this podcast. After infidelity, many people find themselves going over and over what happened. You might replay conversations. You might look back at dates, messages, behavior changes, or moments where something just felt off. You might even ask yourself, how did I not see it? Or was there something I missed? And even when you want to stop thinking about it, your mind just keeps pulling you back. One reason this happens is that betrayal can shake your sense of safety. The person you trusted is now the person who hurt you, and that can feel confusing, so your brain starts searching for answers. It wants certainty. It wants to understand the story. It wants to know whether it could happen again. This is why you may keep asking questions even when the answers don't fully settle you. And for some people, the overthinking could be connected to anxiety, low self-esteem, or previous experiences of being hurt. The affair may not only bring up what happened now, it can also touch older wounds. But that doesn't mean you're weak. It means your mind and body may still be trying to feel safe again. But the difficult part is that overthinking can become a cycle. The more you search for certainty, the more questions you may find. The more reassurance you get, the more reassurance you may need. And before long, it can feel as though the affair is taking up space in your mind every day. So if you can't stop thinking about it, try not to blame yourself. Instead ask, what is my mind still trying to understand? What do I need to do in order to feel safer? And what support could I get to begin moving through this? Because overthinking after infidelity is not just about the affair. It's often about trying to rebuild a sense of safety after trust has been broken. But overthinking doesn't just stay in your head. It can affect your confidence, your mood, your sleep, and how safe you feel in relationships. In the next episode, we're going to look at the long-term effects of infidelity and why the impact can last long after the affair is over. If this episode resonated with you, save it or share it with someone who may need it. And follow or subscribe for more relationship or communication and personal growth content. Until next time, take care.